Hello, my listeners as well as my learners. I'm really excited to tell you about the soft C versus the hard C so that you'll never make any mistakes after this. Now, the hard C sound is k, and the soft C, the sound is city, right? Now, when is it hard and when is it soft? We will find out in this. Now, the soft C occurs before we are just recapitulating. I wanted you all to E, I, or Y, soft C. That is send, city. We're giving you all a whole lot of words also to say. And the hard sound is A, O, U. Okay? Before that, it becomes hard. Soft is S. And you should remember this rule for correct usage. Where is it hard and where is it soft? Am I clear, sweetheart? That's hard C. And if you have any problem, you can send me an email, right? So God bless you all. Take care.